Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer volume of health information circulating online, wondering which claims are truly reliable and which are not? In a world filled with headlines about the latest health breakthroughs, it is incredibly important to distinguish between solid science and mere speculation. Fact-checking health research claims involves a careful and systematic approach to evaluating the information presented. It means looking beyond a sensational headline and digging into the details of where the claim comes from, how the research was conducted, and if it is supported by the wider scientific community. This critical thinking helps you make truly informed decisions about your well-being. The core reason why careful fact-checking is essential stems from the complex nature of human health and scientific research itself. Our bodies are incredibly intricate, and health outcomes are influenced by countless factors. A single study, no matter how well designed, usually provides just one piece of a much larger puzzle. It is vital to understand that science is a process of ongoing discovery, not a collection of absolute, unchanging truths, and context truly matters. To effectively fact-check a health research claim, start by examining the source of the information. Ask yourself if the website or publication is reputable, like a major medical journal or a well-known academic institution. Next, investigate the actual study or research paper. Was it a peer-reviewed study, meaning other experts in the field evaluated it before publication? This adds a significant layer of credibility. Check the study design. Was it a randomized controlled trial, which is often considered the gold standard for testing interventions, or a smaller observational study which can only show associations, not direct cause and effect? Another crucial step is to consider the participants in the study. How many people were involved, and how diverse was the group? A study with a small number of participants or a very specific demographic might not apply to everyone. Also, look for potential conflicts of interest, such as funding from companies that stand to profit from the research findings. Finally, seek out consensus from multiple studies and experts, rather than relying on a single, isolated finding. True scientific understanding rarely rests on just one experiment, but rather on a consistent body of evidence over time. When evaluating health research, a key concept to understand is the hierarchy of evidence. At the top of this hierarchy are systematic reviews and meta-analyses, which rigorously combine and analyze data from many different studies on the same topic. These provide a much stronger basis for conclusions than individual studies. Remember that science relies on replication. For a finding to be considered robust, other researchers should be able to reproduce the same results. This collaborative verification strengthens the reliability of health claims significantly. By adopting these fact-checking strategies, you empower yourself to navigate the vast landscape of health information with confidence. This methodical approach helps you identify credible advice, differentiate between preliminary findings and established facts, and ultimately make more secure, evidence-based choices for your own health journey.